Hey everyone, my name's Hayden and I run a small natural building company who've been invited to help build a couple's dream home in Gippsland, Victoria called the Willowend Roundhouse. It's a very special home for a few reasons. Firstly, the entire walls and foundations are built from 90% soil dug from underneath our feet, predominantly unaltered or processed in any way, which gives the building an incredibly grounded, stable atmosphere. The material is abundant and the technique is incredibly simple. It's strong, thermally reliable, healthy, and it's built by everyday people, most who have never worked with this technique before and simply want to learn new skills and approaches to housing. Also, the house is round, which is a great departure from standard housing designs and ways of managing a living space, and it's a very comfortably sized family home. But lastly, it's the first time a home in Australia has been approved for construction built predominantly from SuperAdobe, which is super exciting for us and natural building in Australia. So if you'd like to learn how to take this and turn it into a space which will withstand cyclones, flood, fire and earthquakes and look awesome while it's at it, come along to our first workshop where we teach everyday people all about SuperAdobe and off-grid construction. You can check us and this project out at www.curvatecture.com. We hope to see you all there.